Okay, good. Very good. Huh? Very good. Very good. What is your question? I have one question about Mana Siksha. Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj is explaining in the commentary. He's explaining Vishrambena Guru Seva and he's giving the example of Giri, the Sevak of Shankaracharya. And he's telling that this Vishrambena Guru Seva is like he first serve his Guru and secondary is do his sadhana, like chanting or not chanting. First, the main thing is serve Guru. And if there is some remaining time, he chants or do his sadhana. So hearing this, one may say, oh, very good, and try to imitate him. But what is the qualification needed for this type of seva? Like it is from the beginning of sadhana, or it comes in some specific stage?
When you unconditionally surrender to Guru, then everything will manifest in your heart. Simple. When you unconditionally surrender to Guru, then automatically everything is manifest in your heart. In the process. Have to surrender, then everything. Giri, the disciple of Shankaracharya, he completely, absolutely surrendered lotus feet of his Guru. So for this regard, he received the mercy of Guru. In our realm of bhakti, explained this way, how will you receive the mercy of Guru? How way? कैसे मिलता है?
कृपा से
गुरु कृपा कैसे मिलता है?
करो तो पाओ।
गुरु भक्त कैसे क्या करते हैं? हार्दिक, वाचिक एंड अलौकिक। क्या बोलना?
हार्दिक, अलौकिक,
हार्दिक,
वाचिक और अलौकिक। हार्दिक means he inspired in your heart. That's the हार्दिक। हृदय से हार्दिक। हार्दिक means heart. Everything manifests in your heart. First example as like Brahma ji. Brahma ji, he manifested from the stem of the lotus. But he did not know why I am here. When Brahma ji appeared in the lotus, then he saw everywhere full of water. That is a pralaya bari. Then at the time of destruction, everywhere is your water. And big waves coming up and down this. Then Brahmaji completely what? Confused. Why I am here? And what is my duty? Why am I here? Why? Where have we come from? Then Brahmaji hold the stem of the lotus and going down. But he could not find out where the stem of lotus manifested, coming from him. Then again he come in that place. Then just two, how is it called? Syllables, varna. Top, to and po. Two letters. Then that means I have to perform hard austerities. Tapasya karo. Then Brahmaji is seated on his lotus. Then he made. Then everything, all these things manifest in his heart. That is Hardik. Lord Narayan manifested everything in the heart of Brahma. What is my duty? Then he read that Narayan told to him, you have to create creation. Your duty to create. तपस्या करो, तपस्या के फल स्वरूप आ गया। क्या आ गया? सृष्टि करने की क्षमता है। Lord Narayan, he did not direct give any instruction to him. For all these things also manifest in his heart. This is called Hardik Kripa. क्या बोला? Hardik. And surrender, then everything manifests in heart. This is called Hardik Kripa. Second example is second what is called Bachik with the words. Naradishi told, just I gave an example. Naradishi told the hunter, Mrigari. Mrigari told, how will maintain my life? The first you break your bow. Then okay, we sit here and chant holy names, everything will come. I am giving mercy. So Bachik. Bachik means the words, giving the blessing. That the Bachik words. Understand? Or third, Alokdan means you are giving the glance. That's the example of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. When Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he took birth from the womb of his mother and he was running towards the jungle. Just his darshan, everybody become prem, everybody attain prem. Jang prajanto monupeto apeto kritam doipano viroha kataro ajuhavo putriti tanmaya taro vinedu tang sarvabhuta hridayam munimana tosmin. Just taking darshan of Sukadeva Goswami. Everybody is completely intoxicated Krishna Prem. That this verse will say. And the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he entered in the forest of Jharkhand, just taking darshan of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all they become Pramik Bhakta. So in the same way, Guru Kripa, Bhagavad Kripa, the mercy of Lord, the mercy of Guru coming in this. Is a process also. Then that is you cannot say this any time. First you purify your heart. हृदय के निर्मल करो अपने साधन के द्वारा हृदय के निर्मल. You have to purify your heart, practice himself. अपने के साधन करना पड़ेगा ना. साधन भक्ति, you have to perform sadhan bhakti, your endeavors. You understand? This is the process also. अपने के साधन करना पड़ेगा. Pardon? Surrender. तरंग शरणागति होइबे जहार तहार प्रार्थना सुनिस विनंद कुमार. Sharanagati, surrender. After surrender, then you enter in bhakti. So Srimad Bhagavad Gita discourses Sharanagati. Then after Sharanagati, then enter in Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the message of Srimad Bhagavatam? What is the message? Seva. Savi pungsang paro dharma jato bhakti adhus kaje ahituki apritita jatma samprasidati. समझिएगा. देन भगवत कृपा गुरु कृपा अपने आप होता है. और भगवत कृपा गुरु कृपा भगवत कृपा दिस इज ऑलवेज कमिंग जस्ट टू मेक द रिसीव container, you know, these are things. Then the shower of rain on the top of the mountain. So water is there or not? What is coming down? But if the top of the mountain, the valley, or then what is there? The same way, sadhak, Guru Kripa, Bhagavad Kripa is always giving, but just to make the content, how to receive. This is the process. Understand? साधन के द्वारा करना पड़ता है. साधन चाहिए. Sometimes they give an example of ahituki, causeless mercy. This is very rare. First you need your sadhan, your endeavors, then Bhagavad Kripa. Nahi suptasa singasa pravisanti mukhe mriga. Lion is the king of the forest. But lion is thinking, I am king. So just I will sleep in the cave when deer come and deer enter in my mouth. This is possible. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके भी शिकार करना पड़ता है. Lion have to hunt the deer. राम मैं राजा हूँ. ऐसे साधन करना पड़ता है. और कभी भी ऐसे भी हो सकता है हेतु की कृपा, causeless, but this is very rare. Very rare the causeless mercy. हेतु की कृपा सबके ऊपर नहीं होता है. कभी किसी को हो गया तो दूसरी बात. सब पे साधन करना पड़ेगा. शरणागति, then bhakti will come. It is simple. तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना यदि विज्ञायते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्ते. तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि, I am yours, I am yours. शरणागति. तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना. Without you, I cannot survive my life. इति विज्ञाते राधे तं नयामि शरणान्तिके. राधे, श्रीमती राधिके, you have to accept me and give mercy. Okay, स्वीकार करो. Okay. I am yours, I am yours. तवैवास्मि 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 न जीवामि तया बिना. Without your mercy, I cannot life myself. यही तो बात है. No, he have to endeavor, then Krishna's mercy coming, then Krishna will remove everything. You cannot remove all your unearths from your heart. Without Krishna's mercy, how possible? So, but your endeavor. Sinnatang sakata Krishna punna sravana kirtana. Jabadran hriddanstat jabadranini vihniti suhid satam nashta prayasu abhadresu nityam bhagavata seva. You listen Krishna katha, Shravan. So Krishna enter your ears and coming in your heart. And Krishna himself cleaning. To give the example, if the dust in your body, then you can clean with the water. But the dust inside your mind, how to clean yourself? तन में धूल लगे तो धोए जल से, और मन से लगे तो धो कैसे? तन से धूल लगे तो धोए जल से, समझ में आया? बताओ क्या बताओ? Whatever. How to get clean? Eh? How to clean the dust from your mind? And Chitu Darpanam Arjanam. Very clear. Chitu Darpanam Arjanam Bhavamaha Dapak Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandam Mudi Vardhan Patipadan Purnamit Param Vijati Sri Krishna Sankirtana नाम संकीर्तन है। नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा आप हृदय के निर्मल कर सकते हो। यू कैन क्लीन योर हार्ट रेंडरिंग चैंटिंग विद द होली नेम और हरि कथा श्रवण एंड चैंटिंग होली नेम बिकॉज यू आर लिसनिंग हरि कथा मीन्स सी हरि हिमसेल्फ enter in your heart and clean everything. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna punna sravana kirtana hriddansto javadrani vidunti suhid satam. You listen to Hari Katha, I mean Krishna himself enter in your heart and clean. Why? Because Krishna says, the practitioner who is listening to Hari Katha is the friend of my friend. Samajh mein? So Krishna says, this is my duty. How to clean the heart of the listeners. The process. Understand? Without listening to Hari Katha, any method, you cannot purify your heart. हरिकथा श्रवण करना पड़ेगा। नायंगात्मा प्रवचन लब्बो न मे दया न बहुना श्रुतेन जमे बुझे विनते तेन लब्बो तस्यैष तत्मैष आत्मा विवृते तनुस्साम। सिंपल। हरिकथा श्रवण हरिनाम हरिकथा श्रवण। You chant holy names and listen Hari Katha. Good and simple.
When you say that there is
Hmm?
when you say that self surrender, then you enter bhakti, means Sudha bhakti.
नहीं, फर्स्ट आरु सिद्धा भक्ति है, देन संग सिद्धा and सर्व सिद्धा।
Sudha bhakti also after surrender.
No, no. When he use this word bhakti, Shuddha bhakti, Mishra bhakti, Tamasi bhakti, that's what they are saying. Bhakti word. Bhakti means seva, service. Saranagati, then bhakti. But what kinds of bhakti? Then later you decide. I am yours. This Saranagati. But then afterward, no, seva vritti. Samandripta seva aega. You are saying, hey Radhe, I am yours, I am yours, I am yours. Tavivasmi, tavivasmi, na jivami taya vina. Iti vigyayate tang charana nand. I said, you are saying, I am yours, I am yours. This Saranagati. After this what? You give me, I will serve you, Lotus feet. Seva vritti are. First line karte I am yours, I am yours. Saranagati. A second, Tang Nayami Sarananti. And he Radhe, and you give me service unto Lotus feet. Bhakti are. To serve the Lotus feet of Srimati Radha, this is bhakti. Well, this example I have given the highest example. These are things. Then you serve to respect Srimati Radhika. That is called first sarana is samandagyan, then servicial mood coming. These are the things. So I told, you serve to Krishna, first surrender. Second, servicial mood. But servicial mood is what mood? Servicial mood means is what? Probably, which service? Sambandha yukta seva. And you serve to Lord with knowledge of relationship. Santa dasa sakha vasara madhurya any mood. See the thing. Understand or not? Now thinking another thing. Saranagati, after Saranagati, then Devaviti, service. So, in fast that is called Arup Siddha. Arup means opposing. You have no realization. Just the faith in the instruction of Shastra and Guru Vakya. Shastra, Guru Vakya, Vishwas. Gurudev told, this is Vigraha Sachidananda. So worship this Thakurji. But you have no realization about this Vigraha Sachidananda or not. You don't know. Just faith in the instruction of Guru or Shastra. This coming this way. So, servicial mood coming. But before samandha gyan, knowledge of relationship, you are servicing to Lord. That is not perfect service. Samandha gyan is important. क्या बोला? Knowledge of relation. Samandha, Ovidya and Prayojan Tattva. These are the things. संबंध नहीं हुई सब सेवा कैसे है? तो संबंध लैया भजे तारे कृष्ण नहीं तजे आर सब मरे Renani chanting Nam mantra is mystic power is there. Self realization will come. This is the process. Vijay Kumar and Brajanath, they surrendered to Guru. Then Guru told, last he told, yeah, I want to serve houses. Then Gurudev take test. Gurudev asks to Vijay Kumar, Brajanath, when we are reading Shastra and what the mood is coming. Then when I chant holy names, Gayatri mantra, that I want to serve to Krishna and Sakha Bhav. The world Siddham how they then serve to Krishna. And I want to go herding the cows with my Guru and what is called Subal Siddham. Then Guru indicates, okay, your mood is Sakha Bhav. And then Vijay Kumar he told, Gurudev asked to him, when you are reading Srimad Bhagavad, what mood are you coming? He said, when I reading Srimad Bhagavatam, then I am thinking I will make the garlands under garnish of Lalita Devi. Then that time we are Guru told, okay, your mood, Vatsala, conjugal mood. So this is the process. Guru will take test. Then we realize. Huh? क्या परीक्षा थी?
Test, when you say test, sometimes the examination is
Hmm.
hidden away. That kind of examination, when you say test,
Hmm.
you're saying you gave your
How much you ask your mind how many rounds you are chanting holy name? Huh? Every day have to chant at least 100,000. एक लाख नाम तो जप करो, तब पता चलेगा. नाम प्रभु give mercy to you. Naam, Harinam is very powerful. आज नींद ही नहीं आएगा, आप उठ जाओगे. This is the process also. What is called Gaudiya Contra giving? One's head is burning with the fire. What do you want now? पानी को खोज करेगा वो. When your head is burning with the fire, what do you want? Where is the water? In the same way, Bhakti manifestation then will be hankaring, how you meet with Krishna and how to serve to Krishna. Yeah. Janama marana adi sansaro saranalo adisa santupa. Just as a person whose head is fire runs toward the water, one burning from the fire of the material existence, birth, death, old age, and the disease must run into Guru himself. Such a Guru must be fixed on such a Guru must be fixed in the absolute truth and कहाँ चले भाग जाते वैसे पढ़ दो क्या.
Someone may not be fully surrendered, like I look myself. I'm not surrendered, but I'm following Bhakti Yangas, like chanting holy names, but I'm not surrendered. So is it that it comes gradually? My question.
First surrender, then everything will come. You are asking same question, different way.
Understand.
Or I am giving same answer, not with the. You asking same question, different way. By answer is one. this. Tavaivasmi, no jivami, tayavina. Surrender this. Huh? I am yours, without you, I cannot survive my life. And this was Toivasmi, no jivami, tayavina. Iti viggayati radhe tangnami charnanti. Iti viggam, you know you please listen this began to my prayer. मेरा प्रार्थना को आप सुनिए, स्वीकार कीजिए. हे श्रीमती राधिके, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट माय prayer. What is my prayer? Tong nayami charnantike. Please give shelter your lotus feet. Where you are, they will give you shelter. You understand? Everybody is saying, Toivasmi, no jivami, tayavina. Iti viggayati radhi tang nayami charnantike. Tong nayami charnantike. Then you please give shelter unto your lotus feet. Yeah, Jesus. Why you are thinking too much? Too much thinking, then life spoil. ज़्यादा चिंता मत करो, भगवान के शरण में आ जाओ. क्या? Let's go. Simple or not? Bhakti is very simple. Our bhakti is very hard also. If you not surrender, then it is very hard. Ramananda, where are you going? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. The simple. Huh? Okay.
Very connected. The joy. That we say that in this way we are one. We are one. There's some from the eyes of Krishna. Everything, well, of course, there are in the physical,
क्या बोल रहे?
see, and that in nature. Nature is me, I am nature.
No, you are not nature. You are belongs to nature. Huh? क्या बोला उन्होंने? समझ में आया?
Is that what you're trying to say? Yeah, that's our one being.
Are one being?
You're not saying we are Krishna. You're not saying we are God. You're saying we are God? No, we're not God. I know that. We had a very example. So it's a potential. What I mean, the soul of everything. Super soul, Krishna. So relationship with Krishna, the small soul, Atma.
Yeah. But what is then this Tattvamasi? Living force flowing through
Tat Tama Asi. Let's get first to understand this Sanskrit word Tat Tam Asi. That means you are that. That means you are belongs to a Lord. Because Sanskrit word, some meaning will come not direct, some meaning will be indirect. You can understand this Sanskrit words two ways. Understand? You can understand the Sanskrit slokas or everything in two ways. One is called direct, literal meaning. Okay. Or another way you can to understand indirect way, metaphorical. And that is called, one is called Vidhavritti, another is called Lakshana Vritti, Sanskrit word. So that means you are belongs to Lord. You are that means you are belongs to Lord. Tat padartha and tam padartha. Tat tama osi. Tat vastu. Sanskrit word tat means Lord. Tat padartha. Tam padartha, that is called jiva, jivatma. So here Sanskrit word saying this is tat tam osi. That means you means you are jiva. So your spontaneous nature to serve to Paramatma, soul, super soul. One is soul, another is called super soul. Soul, there is Jivatma, that is called unique and what is called? Minute. Or who is Paramatma, that is super soul. That is what? Brihat. So that means the nature of the jiva to serve to Paramatma, super soul. It's simple. You are not that Brahma. You are belongs to Brahma. Because you are jiva, soul. The soul will not become Paramatma or Bhagavan. Because you are part and parcel. Mamai Vangsha Jiva Luke Jiva Bhuta Sanatan. All the living entities, they are my part and parcel. And a part is belongs to the whole. A part is belongs to the whole. Yes, you understand? So Jivatma soul, that is called very minute. So you are minute. You are Jiva. So your duty to serve to Lord. It's simple. So Tat Tama Asi. Tat Padartha and Tam Padartha. Tat Padartha means Lord. A Tam Padartha, Sanskrit word, that is called Jivatma, soul. Because Sanskrit word, there are many meanings is coming, So, but which meaning with the proper way to explain the philosophy, you have to understand. This is the process. Advaitavadis, they are thinking all we are Brahma. And you are that Brahma. But what is the meaning of Brahma? There are many meanings of Brahma. There are so many synonyms. Understand it? But when he is speaking, that we have to understand which synonym is appropriate. Then that meaning will come. Many definitions coming, many words will come. What is the Brahma? What is the meaning of Brahma? There are many synonyms of Brahma means soul, Brahma means super soul, Brahma means body, Brahma means mind, many things. Annamaya Brahma. Brahma means also rice, dal, sabji, many things Brahma. Many meanings are coming. But when you discuss which meaning you will take. These are things. They say Annamaya Brahma, Pranamaya Brahma, Sabdamaya Brahma, Sabda Brahma. Like this. And Sabda Brahma is a transcendental vibration. And there you go. Ved, Puran, Upanishad. That is called Sabda Bangmay Murti. Srimad Bhagavat is called the Bangmay Murti, Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration. But what is the original meaning of Brahma? Brahma Sabde Mukkarte Kaya Bhagavan. The original meaning of Brahma means Bhagavan. And which Bhagavan? Unique and unparalleled. Unparalleled. Mukha Sabde, Brahma Sabde Mukkarta Kaya Bhagavan. Jahar Anurdha Saman. No one can be equal to him. Who will be higher than him? No one. So, you have to understand the meaning of Brahma. Just like given Pranamaya Brahma, Annamaya Brahma. There are many synonyms of Brahma. This is the process. You understand now? Many times you listen, then you understand. I'm not so sure. Again and again, listen. Then understand. This is true. When you understand, then automatically you accept. I never under half person, just imposing. This is the process. Self-realization is the best realization. Atma Anubhuti. This is the process. Many people they are going to karma, gyan, yoga, tapasya. So, the first to understand, Jiva has free will, but that free will is also limited. Just give an example, one cow you bind with the 5 meters rope. Understand? But in this 5 meters, that cow can move, wandering. She cannot go, she cannot go over 5 meters. Within 5 meters, coming, going. In the same way, Jiva also has free will. That is also limit. You understand? And Lord also giving to many kinds of your brain. That is called Vichar Shakti. Vichar Shakti. Discriminate what is good and what is bad. You have also. Lord gave you this potency, Shakti. You discriminate what is good and what is bad. You listen to Hari Katha or you go to your house that to sleep. This is depend on you. क्या बोलना है? आप यहाँ पर बैठे हरि कथा सोच सकते हो अथवा अपने कमरे में जाके सो जाओ. So this is your free will, free choice. When you surrender, then everything will be. They surrender first. Always giving the emphasis how to surrender. Surrender means is I am yours. As like you sold out your animal, cow. The cow who is now which belongs to his mind. And the cow gives milk to that person. This is a simple idea. जिसको गाय बेच दिया जो खरीद रहे उसके पास है तो सरना में विकृत पशु की विकृत पशु के बाद विकृत you sold out your cow. That cow will stay in his house and give milk to him. This is the process. Sarnagati means this.
Like a disciple probably wants conditional surrender. Conditional, right?
Surrender, condition, surrender. A businessman. Contract. Actually, this is not the. You give me, then I will give to you. You give me money, then I will give you some sugar, rice tea. This is called business deal. You go to the market, you have to pay, then you get. Buy one, get one. Buy one, get one, free one. As a free one, the businessman giving free one. Saying buy one. Actually, he took the money from two. Then giving the just saying buy one, get one, free. Free will not give nothing giving. ये तो बिजनेस केवल लैंग्वेज लोगों के मूर्ख बनाने के लिए एडवर्टाइज शरणागति surrender. But this surrender depends on in the beginning what percentage is surrendered step by step. Complete surrender in the stage, actual, when you complete surrender, absolutely surrender with the faith of Lord. Which stage? Mahabhavdas. Srimati Radhika, she completely, absolutely, 500% turn to Krishna. This is surrender is there. And now how much you surrender, that percentage bhakti will come in you.
Gauriya said that it's step by step. Which one is the first step? Look at this six links. Which one is the, because you said it's step by step, like limb by limb. Which one is the first limb of
You cannot say this. That is no sequence. When you speaking the sloka sequence. Eh? When you speaking the slokas in sequence.
Second word.
Eh?
it comes everything gradually?
Gradually comes. Then, generally the Anugula Sankalpa Pratikula Savivarjana. Which is favorable bhakti, you accept. Or simultaneously rejects, which is unfavorable bhakti. Right? What is the favorable for bhakti? You have to accept. First positive. Which one? So, are Upadeshamrita kam. उत्साहात निश्चय धैर्य तत्त कर्म प्रवर्तना संगत त्यागा सतोवित और विभक्ति विप्रसिद्धति और which are the unfavorable bhakti अत्ताहार प्रयास से प्रजल्प नियमाग्रह जनसंगस्य लौलंच और विभक्ति विनश्यति is calm. Automatically calm this way. Don't try to understand in your just ब्रेन बुद्धि के द्वारा समझने के प्रयास मत करो, भक्ति के द्वारा प्रयास करो. What is it? ठीक है सही. आगे पहले कौन सा आएगा? अरे अनुकूल रस या प्रतिकूल अपने अपने आ गया है. You understand? Light coming, automatically darkness going. So first coming dark, first going darkness or first coming light? Which one? Light coming. It's simultaneously every time. When light coming and then darkness going. Now darkness going and light coming. Which one? You can, which one? Darkness going and light coming. Which one? First light coming, then darkness going. आलो आने के साथ ही साथ अंधकार जा रहे हैं. You have to sadhan. Understand? Huh? Ahitu Kripa, they are always saying this way. साधन करना पड़ेगा. साधन बिना शब्द वस्तु प्राप्ति नहीं होय. Without sadhan you cannot attain. But if you sadhan, then Lord's mercy will come. Only your sadhan you cannot attain your perfection goal. Need is your mercy. Not mercy, Lord mercy. Then automatically our spirit say again saying Krishna's mercy always. The hour of mercy is there. These are things. Rahul?
I'm not getting it.
Your heart will melt. You understand it? Your heart will melt automatically. It's simple. इधर द्रवीभूत हो जाए हैं? So, Mercy coming or not? Self, always you are using this word self realization, Atma Anubhuti. अच्छा what time? 11, we will say, what time? 11, okay. No,